Once you've chosen your dream, you are then faced with the screen which says repay, borrow, or roll. Now, what's the repay and borrow buttons mean? So if you click on repay, you'll be presented with your financial statement. And this is where most of the game thinking is going on. So you can see on the top left-hand corner, there's the income section. To start with, you've just got your active income, in this case, police officer salary, and this is all per month. Then you've got your list of expenses. Now, many of these expenses are related to liabilities. So we can see there's a home mortgage repayment or payment, and that's related to the home mortgage. So if you get rid of the home mortgage, that will remove the home mortgage payment. So in summary though, this lists all the expenses. Then we have the assets section. Now, Robert defines assets as something that can earn you passive income. Now, there is an exception to that, and that is you can buy stocks and funds and CDs, or otherwise called term deposits in countries like Australia, for example. These things don't earn income, but they can be capital growth opportunities. And then you've got real estate and businesses, etc., on the left-hand side as well. On the right-hand side, as mentioned before, there's your liabilities. Now, this little section here is where you've got how much cash you've got at the moment, and this is a bit like your bank account statement, and it's showing the summary of your total income. That's the summary of all this area, which is a total of 3,000 at the moment, and then you've got total expenses, which is the total of these. The difference between these two is called your payday. So that means every month, with your current situation, you will put extra cash in your bank of $1,120. So the repay or borrow gives you the opportunity to go into your finances and either pay off a loan or borrow money. And if you pay off a loan, as I mentioned, it'll clear off the amount from the liability section and then reduce the subsequent amount in your expenses. What will that do to your payday? Well, it's going to reduce your expenses, right? So your payday will go up. Or you can borrow money. So if you borrow money, now the money is always borrowed at a rate of 10% per month, just for the sake of the game. So if you borrow money, you'll add a loan expense down here, a loan amount down here, and then that will equivalent to a loan expense, which will of course increase your expenses and lower your payday.